F50's new wheels.
I'll let you do the last 2 tabs, even though everyone saw them.
Oh, because we're not restarting?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
you got it.
But
Yeah, those are sick.
That's original chrome.
Original.
Center caps look amazing. Dude, that wasn't even funny. That wasn't even funny. Pretend to drop the scissors. Oh, sketchy.
Yeah,
Do it one more time. Oh, you're dangerous. But what are these? 19 by...
Ooh, 19, 9.5.
10.5, and then plus... Wasn't it like plus 20 up front and then
20,
plus 6 in the
14?
back? Something like that.
Something,
We'll actually measure me. I'll go back through and look.
Something like that.
But yeah,
Damn.
Hunter's wanted these for a long time, so glad to see him finally get them for.
It's the 1GS.
These will look great on that too.
Yeah,
It's a
I'm
big old
stoked.
bubble car.
Yeah. Woo. Douglas is here.
Pretty funeral in the building.
His birthday yesterday went wild.
Happy birthday,
He's
Pretty
going
Funeral.
straight back to bed. You weren't lying. All right, we're gonna get these things loaded up, and we're gonna go drop the car off at Baker's garage.
Privacy tent. We in the daily LS. Turn the audio down. We in the daily LS with the factory privacy tent option. You can't see shit out of that. Looks blurry. That's not out of focus. That is just how it is. But we're taking Hunter's F50 Q45 over to Baker's garage in Denver for an alignment. He's gonna get tires mounted and balanced on the new Weds Kranze Bazreias, so I know he's excited for that. That's currently what we're doing. So, yeah. Yeah, it is. If you ever drop your car off Baker after hours, it's nice to be able to do it. There's only like 2 to 3 spots and it's tight with the fence closed. That's pretty cool. You'll find a lot of cool cars at Baker. Been around for a minute. A lot of Volvos. Just chilling outside.
All right, last time we were at Andrew's shop, we were dropping off the Wisesport kit. Today we're picking up the car. It's all painted, everything like that. The kit's all fixed. Fiberglass is actually in decent shape now. I can't remember if we took videos of all the damage before. I want to say we did, but
I mean, we videoed it dropping it off. So.
yeah. So we're about to pull up. I haven't seen the car in person yet. Andrew's kind of shot me some
Cerberus 2s.
Dang. Look at those. Serbs. He shot me some photos of it, so I'm stoked to see it in person, but we're about to be there, so as soon as we get out, I guess we'll display the car.
Is it outside?
It's outside.
Oh, nice.
All right. As soon as we kind of turn here, the car should be there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there it is.
You can't even see it. You're filming the pillar.
Yeah. I was kind of for that thing.
Woo! Don't stop me. Hey, go. Mean that you're completely wheels up your back. So much for air suspension.
Okay, air suspension.
Alright, now just go around to the side and now. Alright, now crank it.
Hey, go. Hey, go. Hey, wait for me, Hunter.